In the infinity of life, where I am, all is perfect, all is whole and complete. I see any resistant patterns within me only as something else to release. They have no power over me. I am the power in my world. I flow with the changes taking place in my life as best I can. Through the Most High, Yeshua Jesus Christ, I approve of myself, and I am grateful to have changed. I am doing the best that I can, and each day gets easier and better. I rejoice that I am in the rhythm and flow of an ever-changing, prosperous life. Today is a wonderful day. I choose to make it so. All is well in my world. I wanted to go ahead and share that prayer of affirmation with you because it's time. It's time to choose self and love self unapologetically. It's over now. It's okay. I know it seems very uncertain of how to move forward, but you can, and you will. The mere fact that you were able to wake up today, that's another sign that you have another chance to do things differently. And it's not what you may have encountered, but how you react to those things. So choose to live today and being present and being grateful. It takes so much more effort to be resistant to the hope, the promise, the faith that there is greatness on the other side of whatever obstacle that you may have encountered. Of course, many of you have been through things and you may have wondered, why did this happen? But instead of constantly focusing on the why, try to think a little deeper than that. These things may have happened to clear your vision. You may have not seen things in which the way that needed to be seen until it came into your life. So take all the situations, whether good or bad, and apply them to your life as a lesson. Move into a place of knowing that there's greater right around the corner. That is definitely a key towards manifesting the type of reality that you want. It's knowing that it starts in your mind. If you believe it, you can receive it. And first and foremost, ask the Most High, ask the Creator for what it is that you need at this time. And be grateful for what it is that He's already given. You can do this. We can do this. Keep your faith.